Today I will discuss about Python pattern programming, lecture number 4. So I need to this type of pattern printed here. So open Android Studio and let's write for loop. So for I in range, how many time you print, how many row are printed in a program. So you write parenthesis. So I have printed 1 to 5 times of row. So print, first we need to 5 time of star. After we need to 4 times of star. So first I need to 5 time of. So here 6 minus I means first I value is 1. So 6 minus I, it means 5. So 5 multiplied by star. So 5 time printed star. Okay, so let's check. Look at this. First 4 time print star, but this output is not valid because we need to this pattern. So second time we need to space given here, third time 2 space given here, and fourth time 3 space given here. So we need to assign one space operation. So I minus 1, it means first time of I value is a 1, so 1 minus 1, so it means 0, right? Multiply by space, so we write to space. So logic over here, I minus 1 multiply by space. So first time of I value 1, so 1 minus 1, it means 0, so 0 space is in first line. Okay, after we need to 1 space over here, so we need to for second time of I value 2, so it means 2 minus 1, so 1, so 1 multiplied by 1 space, so it means 1 space right here. And second time we need to 2 space, 1 here and 1 here, so we need to write over here. So I value is a 3, so it means 3 minus 1, so it means 2, so 2 multiplied by space, so 2 time space, so 2 time space display here, sorry here. And after we need to write a star, so 6 minus I, it means value of first time of I value is a 1, so 6 minus I, it means 6 minus 1, it means 5, so 5 multiplied by star. So first time we 5 time print star, after printed 4 times, so second value of I is a 2, so 6 minus 2, it means 4, right? So 4 multiplied by 4 multiply by star, so 4 time start 4 time display star here. And let's check. Look at this, our output will be display here. This is correct output for our program, and similar as a display here. So you can use another method, for you can create a variable. So method number 1, sorry, and you can write can assign variable. So number, I have assigned a number variable. So number is equal to int import enter any number, and for I in range 1 to number plus 1 print I minus 1 multiply by plus, so I need to here, and number, sorry, number minus I multiply by star, and let's check here. Somebody is okay, it's done. And check here, enter number, for example 7. So 7, first 7 star printed, after printed 6 star, and so on. So look at this, first 6 star, after 5 star, after 4 star, after 3 star, and so on. So you can use a second method. Thank you for watching video. Please do like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.